Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. After NABARD Grade A Phase 1 examination, now you're targeting for Phase 2 preparations, right? Okay, so this particular Phase 2 crash course is available on the application of Oliveboard, and you can use this complete crash course for your better revisions and for completing all the concepts for your Phase 2 preparation. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the course highlights of this crash course. So with this crash course, you are going to get 70 plus foundation sessions for covering your ESI and ARD complete phase 2 syllabus, 20 plus live revision sessions for your ESI and ARD covering concepts and MCQs, 25 plus live sessions for your descriptive answer writing for phase 2. Weekly general awareness, ESI, and ARD current affair classes are available on our application, that is from January 2025 onwards. 24 into 7 access to all the recorded videos of the classes so that you can revise at any point of time. Plus, you will be provided with 60 plus detailed notes for your ESI and ARD portion, downloadable magazines per month, that is from January 2025 onwards, PYQ, ebooks, and PDFs of all the classes. And with this, you will be provided with the current affairs lectures and the PDFs as well. So it will include the capsules for each month, that is for your GA, ESI, and ARD portion. And all these capsules will cover your union budget, economic survey, government schemes, and other important reports as well. Okay. So after covering the basic things, after making your foundation strong, what you need to do the mock test. Okay, so this crash course is also providing you the mock test. So there will be 20 phase 2 full length mock test, 20 full length descriptive test with evaluations from mentors, 75 plus topic test for your ESI and ARD portion, and 4 years phase 2 PYQs in test format will be provided to you. And whatever the content we are going to share with you with the this particular crash course, that will be in English language, and all the explanations are also in English language. And this crash course will be available to you till the end of NABARD grade A phase 2 examination. So if you are thinking to do your preparation for phase 2 preparation, a phase 2 examination in a very better manner, you can be the part of this crash course, and you can start your preparations with the team of Oliveboard. Thank you so much and all the very best.